Welcome to another podcast on Who Am I? Rosy's story, a child of the Sicilian wheel. Today I'm going to read to you book 2, and this is Rosy. She only speaks through poetry, and I feel very privileged to be able to share this with you. So here we go. Hello there. My name is Rosa. I have a question that is quite serious. It keeps buzzing in my head, even when I'm in bed. Who am I? I asked the sky. When I looked up, I heard its reply. A living being like none I've seen. I felt its touch between my toes, going right up to my nose. So off I went, glad with this present of knowing where I was going. Hello, moon, are we in tune? Hello there, I'm everywhere, said the moon. I've watched you at every glance, and I love the way you dance. I've watched you do your little thing through summer, autumn, winter and spring. I light the sky so you can see all that is around you that is for free. I see the shadow of the sun as the new day has dawned and the evening has sung. So off I went, a mission was my intent. Who am I? I asked the wind. He answered me with his cheeky grin. Destiny and purpose will be your service. Let my breeze guide you with ease. Leave with me the questions you ask, and life will slowly unmask. So off I went, a mission was my intent. Who am I? I asked the tree. Come and sit beside me. Feel the cool of my shade that the Lord has made. Sit and be, and you will see. So off I went, a mission was my intent. Who am I? I asked the shepherd and the flock and the sheep. This might be able to give me some sleep. As the sheep looked at me, what was it that they see? Ba, ba, we know who you are. Do you believe what they said? Your quest is to find the answer that keeps coming to your mind. A treasure comes your way, and you will see it every day. So off I went, a mission was my intent. Who am I? I asked this void as I was starting to become annoyed. The answer lies in your silence. Be still and know that you are priceless. So off I went, a mission was my intent. Busy, busy bumblebee, look at you. You are so free. Will you stop and answer me? The bumblebee said to me, you are a light that will shine bright and do the right thing and discover what you bring. The seeds you sow are for you to grow. A life worth living is one of giving. So off I went, a mission was my intent. Who am I? Did I ask my mother? This was her reply. I see the life, the gift of life hidden in you, sparkling like a diamond, bright and new. You are a child of the universe, a gift from the King, who is the creator of everything. Your eyes are like the Aegean Sea, and from this you can't flee. Your hair is the fire of Mount Etna. Sei exquisita. You are a seed of life's calling, and you know you're not even boring. Live and love. All gifts come from above. Choose to embrace the blessings that come your way. This is how they will stay. So off I went. A mission was my intent. Nonno, please give me your mano. Answer my question. I need some progression. He looked at me so sweet, nodded his head, and began to eat. So off I went. A mission was my intent. To ask the question to the one who created the moon and the sun. This I had been told. I wanted to be very, very bold. As I stood with my hands between my hips, I uttered these words through my lips. Who am I asked God. I knew this could be quite odd, as I had heard of the one who created the moon and the sun, created the world in which I have dwelled. This is a question that keeps buzzing in me. This is the answer that God gave to me. You are a living spirit, you see. Life is a gift for you to explore, and not one for you to ignore. This seed of light reigns through your sight. You are made of purpose and destiny. The tides of time will tell, and all will be well. I placed in your heart, you see, this question that you ask of me is for you to leave a legacy, for your necklace is the key. To find your purpose, this will become your service. This question that you ask a king, what is the gift that you bring? This question is for us all, from the grown-up to the very small. I place this question inside your heart, just like the creation of your art. The answer lies in you, the journey that is designed for you to pursue. Life is not to find oneself, but to create thyself. To build a life filled with the things you love, then everything will fit just like a glove. A new day is found in everyone. It shines as bright as the morning sun. Your task is set for you to find the treasure that is in all mankind. Hidden in a place, ask for your necklace. That's within your heart, for this is the place where you should start. This question that you ask to me, you are the one that holds the key. Become the captainess of your fate. Create a path and live in this state. Set the journey to create yourself and not a life that sits on a shelf. The place to start is within your heart. So off I went and sat inside. Like a tiny little bud, I went to hide. As I sat on the floor, guess what? The sun and the moon were at my door. I closed my eyes I whispered these words to me that kept buzzing in my head just like the bumblebee. Who am I? I slowly waited. You know, it felt very sacred. A little voice appeared. I could feel the coming from within. I could feel the answer coming from within. Just as I smiled with my cheeky grin. Guess what? With my eyes shut, a tiny voice replied. My eyes became so wide. This is what it said to me as I sat on the floor with the sun and the moon at my door. Some never get to find. This question that gets lost and left behind. I am the light that shines in you. That is as bright as the morning dew. It is a seed from the King of the universe. It's a question we all ask, for this is your very special task. This universe is a sacred space with so many treasures in every place. Only you know what you hold. Your task is to be very bold and to uncover your gold. It is a question that we ask within and where it all truly begins. The voice was tender and sweet as I start to hear a special beat and tap with my feet. La, 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 this is your journey so far. So, you're the seed that will grow. Do, create the life that is in you. La, 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 your beauty is in who you are. I heard a sound, Nina, Nana. There is magic in your heart. This is where you play the special part and discover your art. I am the love that you inquire, filled with the flame of fire. Fly with the wind and keep in mind, your treasure is for all mankind. There is a season it will grow, and only this you will know. The task will take you on a journey to create the new. Live peacefully with the sun and the moon, and through the years you will bloom, finding the seed that only you bring, like the first day of spring. We are the children of the light. Be happy and shine bright. The heartbeat of our King, who is the creator of everything. There is a treasure he put in you. The task will take you on a journey to find and create the new. I hope you enjoyed Book 2 of Who Am I? Rosy's story, a child of the Sicilian Queen, and the poetry that she writes and when she speaks. I know it speaks to all of us, as it gives us a different way of thinking. A child could really take two sides. She could either go one way or another way. But somehow she has the wisdom and the knowledge to decide that she's going to stay positive on her journey and ask anyone and everything that comes her way about her own identity. But when she went to God and she asked him, all of a sudden she decided she was going to go in her room and ask her own self the question. So the light within her her soul spoke, which is very rare that today many of us, our souls don't speak. But Rosy's soul spoke to her and told her that she's the light that shines bright, and to stay and to create her own destiny, and to be brave and to be courageous in her journey. And it would take her her whole entire life to find where she comes from, who she is. But what a great benchmark to start from, creating her life at such a young age. And mind you, she only speaks in poetry. So poetry is the song of the heart. I hope you really liked and enjoyed this podcast. Follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one on Book 3. Ciao.